is Omkar. I'm studying in 11th standard. I joined Guru Academy when I was in 10th standard. At that time, I was kind of an introvert guy and I was having fear of talking to people. But now I can easily interact with the people without any fear. And also when I joined this academy, I was like an average guy. Now I can score good enough in any subject. And also the teachers in this academy are an excellent. I've never seen this kind of teachers in any other coachings. The teachers present here are kind of supportive. They will treat you as a friend and also they will make you goal oriented. And also the environment here in this academy is kind of excellent. All the students here are oriented to their goals and they focus on their studies. Not only in studies, they focus on many other activities. And many other activities like indoor games and outdoor games. Also the students here are very supportive. Teachers from Guru Academies are very supportive. They will help you in all the possible ways.